All right, guys, we got an awesome product here that we are going to absolutely put together. This is the Camel Crown 8-person tent, and we're going to make it happen. First rule of thumb, when you are using a knife to cut open a tent, please don't cut the tent. You don't want to cut the tent. You shouldn't cut a tent, right? So, without further ado, let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we're working with here for a tent itself. This is the gray color. I'm super excited. We do a whole lot of tent camping, so I'm super excited to get into this. Check out this bag. This is for an 8-person right here, all in that bad mama jamma. So, I am very excited about that. Look how small and compact it is. This is 8 people. It's going to fit in one. You got your tag on the outside, and you are good to go. Now let's go ahead and see what all the goodies are inside. So right off the bat, what I love is you have the directions on how to make it happen. So this is an outdoor tent here. It's going to tell you how to put it together. It says 8-person family tent, and you unfold and set up, bada boom, bada bang, and it's going to happen. So definitely check that out. Okay, so next thing, we are going to get rocking and rolling. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the bottom, see what we're working with here. We got a tent shade, got some pieces. Go ahead and move this way. We got some nets, and last but not least, we got our tent stakes. Let's see what we are working with here from a tent stake perspective. Bam! Just like that. It does say on here that you're going to want to lay out this. Let's see how big it is. Let's go ahead and lay this guy out. Go ahead and get her opened up. Look at that. So this is it. From a tent perspective, that's how big it is. So it should work pretty simply. You got your front opening part and then your sides right there. Let's go ahead and see what we're supposed to do next. So on this here, we have unroll and unfold the tent, connect your tent poles, bada boom, bada bang, making it happen. So we got 4 tent poles that we should be using. Go ahead and see, got a little extra guy. That is for the front. And then the remainder is going to be for the rest of it. Look at this. I'm like a magician, right? Pretty cool. That's what a magician would do with its magic stick, right? Wouldn't you say that, Sky?
Yeah.
Okay. So
you're a magician.
I'm a magician.
Magician.
A magician. A magic-ician. Wow, these are quite lengthy.
That's really long.
That is one heck of a tent pole. Not gonna lie. But hey, you got to do an 8-person tent for a reason.
It's a rainbow.
I'm rainbowing?
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, this thing is quite girthy on the size here. So, but I'm not afraid. So we're going to start with one edge. See what we're working with. See where we can work. Okay, so this is the outside. You have one going up the center, so we're going to make that happen. We're going to start putting it up the center here. And these are going to connect on the sides. This is pretty simple. Pretty easy little tent process here.
If you can make it in the hole.
Do what?
If you can make it in the hole.
Well, that's what my kids want. They want me to put this on the indoor. But there's that. All right, so we got a Velcro or a lip at the top, so we want to stick through that. That's going to hold it in on the very point. And we're going to keep pushing through to the other side. So very easy little process here. I'm not gonna lie, I put together a whole bunch of tents for my family over the years. And the fact that I can do this Big Daddy by myself makes stuff a lot easier and nicer. Should be able to take this all the way to the edge, like so. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Now we're cooking. So once you get over here, so you can see it's gonna go to the edge, we're gonna clip this guy in. See that right here? We're gonna clip it in. We're gonna clip in this next one. And then just like on the bottom, you have these little brackets. And then pop that in. I'm gonna go to the other side. Make that happen. Spread this bad boy out a little bit. Should be able to straighten it out. And just like so, this guy connected over here. And down a little bit further. Connect. And bam. Now we are on. We got one side on. Look how easy that was. Pretty simple, right? Hole number 2. You're recording though, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Make sure you give the people what they want, which is a full, how did this go, and how much time did it last, because that is what we all want to see.
We want to see the tent.
Huh?
We want to see this tent.
Absolutely want to. So next one, we're going to find the same side, and we're going to start putting this one together.
Whoa.
Putting it through. Just like that. I do believe you want to go underneath. Okay. Now that we got this side, oh yeah, we are moving. Thank you for the 5 inch. No ovations needed yet. Once we get it rocking and rolling, we will get our standing ovation. So, here. How much time has it been, Sky?
It's been 6 minutes, or about to be 7 minutes.
I love it. I hope, too,
That you guys love this
you
video.
guys are enjoying how fast this is. Brand new, right out the box, ready to go.
Your pole's stuck.
Oh, it's not?
It's underneath the tent.
Good. It's a trick of the trade. You just break it a little bit. And now, get up top, push on. You see this coming to life, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's
Oh,
a
yeah.
big daddy.
Yeah, it is. All right, now we flipped onto this side, right here.
We could fit probably 10 kids in there.
Yeah, we could all have a good camp out, and that's what we're going to eventually do with this. We're going to test it on the water side. How's it work when it's wet outside? And we've got that side. Oop. Okay, one side's done. I know you can't see me over here, but just believe what I'm doing, guys. Just believe I'm bringing her to life.
You can see it move.